Indoor air quality is the air quality within and around buildings and structures. Indoor air quality is known to affect the health, comfort, and well-being of building occupants. Mold spores. Coughing, wheezing, and shortness of breath could all be symptoms you experience if there is mold in your air vents. When this does occur, we recommend to clean the air ducts or have them be replaced. Sometimes you may need to insulate the air ducts to prevent moisture which causes mold. 1 tablespoon of dust on average holds about 1,000 dust mites. Just imagine breathing that in. Call today to make the air you breathe healthy again.